And 3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, today we have day 2 of working on our garage. Today we're gonna get the paint and we're gonna paint those bits that weren't painted before because of the peczka. Also we're gonna paint the door because the door looks disgusting as well, so you're gonna paint it matte black.
Why is there a schlong?
Don't worry about wrong. Enjoy watching.
Let's go.
Any comment on this?
Listen, at least I'm not paying them.
Well, no one's paying them.
Yeah. You pay me. It's okay.
Dobra, dawaj. Plan był dobry, ale wykonanie...
I think we just don't need this. Oh shit,
Dobra. Wow! What's the situation, Marco?
After many failed attempts of everything, we finally got the construction ready, except it doesn't work. Yes.
We have the lift in. We are now in the middle of installing it. It's not really complicated, but shit is very heavy, so this takes time.
Takes time.
Adam's doing first time in his life. He's doing something reading the manual.
I'm reading before fucked up something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sheesh. Okay, so the lift is sorted, it's working properly, we sorted out a lot of things with it, but now we don't have time to show you that because we need to focus on the floor. Just need to put a new layer of, epoxy, resin, whatever you call it, that thing. But first we need to clean really a lot, probably gonna take us a long time to clean it, but what's the Russian saying? Глаза боятся, руки делают. Let's go. Okay, so we're done with cleaning. We got all the supplies that we also need for the job. We marked the space where we can't go over.
Because we're not putting epoxy on all over the floor of garage, because man's not really a millionaire, isn't it?
Not have the peas, man.
So we only are doing this space, and this is gonna be in the main working space in this garage.
Skating,
Tricky bricking,
yes. And this instrukcja.
So this is epoxy floor. We have never used it, we have never worked with it, so we're probably gonna fuck it up.
It is what it is, you know?
Okay, not much of it. So this one is like this after opening, it's half empty, so you need to add the component B.
How hard can it be?
That's the actual resin.
Ooh. Ooh.
Okay, so for the last bit, we're gonna open the gate and kind of do it and leave. Oh shit, because the light switches are there. We can do it with a stick.
Or you can just open the second gate quickly.
Yeah. Okay, Marco, ready? Yes.
Ready?
Hey.
Good.
Okay, so this is the state of things at the moment.
We forgot to turn off the light, but we're gonna get there now.
Let's be back here tomorrow with the new fresh layer, final layer. Nice, so see you tomorrow.
Good morning, people on the internet. Today, last finishing touches.
Very good, very good.
Thank you so much for watching. We finally finished with the space. It's looking proper nice. Don't expect it to be nice for a long time. Probably in 2 days it's gonna be the same as before.
So for now we have this nice floor where we can work on cars. We got the chilling area and then we have the shit area, which we need to clean and like make it look nice as well. This space mostly is gonna be to store cars, and that space there is gonna be to work on cars. These guys again, man. And then obviously the lift as well, which makes everything much easier to work on. And you stop bullying me.
Thank you for watching. See you later.